Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the encryption routine now. First, back up your phone completely so you can restore if anything fails. Once done, confirm your OS version and device supports full disk or file-based encryption. This ensures compatibility. Make sure the battery is charged to at least 80% and plug into power. Encryption can take time and must not be interrupted. Finally, free up about 1 GB of storage, so the process has room to complete successfully. Now you will enable the OS-level encryption and choose Credentials. On Android, go to Settings, Security, then Encrypt Phone or enable File-based encryption. Some older phones require a factory reset before encryption. On iPhone, data protection is automatic once you set a strong passcode, so create an alphanumeric passphrase. Use a long, unique passphrase and store recovery keys in a secure password manager or physical safe. This prevents permanent lockout. Make sure you follow on-screen. Finish by verifying the encryption completed and tightening access controls. Reboot the phone and check security settings to confirm the storage reports encrypted. Once confirmed, enable biometric unlock such as fingerprint or Face ID, but keep your strong passphrase as the primary factor. This prevents single-point failures. If you encounter errors or the phone won't boot, restore your backup to a clean state, reattempt the encryption steps, and only then contact device support or a trusted technician for advanced recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.